Okay, so this video just shows how to attach the hour and minute hand to your child's clock using the brass fastener that was put in your child's to-go bag. So what you're going to need to do is you're going to take each one, and this needs to go through each one of these and then through the back. I find it helpful to kind of use like a pencil, like a starter hole in each one. So once you have your pencil through, and then poke a hole in the minute hand as well. Just carefully not to rip the paper too much. And then finally, you need to poke a hole right through that black center of the clock. Okay. Then what you're going to do is you're just going to put them onto the brass fastener. Just poking gently through the hole so I don't rip it. So once you have both of the arrows on there for the hour and minute, then you're going to poke it through that hole that you made right in the center of the clock. And when you flip it over, you can kind of push it down. You're going to, there are two pieces that you're just going to push and flatten. And then you can give your clock back to your child, and they will be able to move both the minute and the hour hand.